I'm Gianna. Um,
How long have you been working with Sear Green Cleaning?
I've been here about 5 months now.
And what do you love most about your teammates?
They're super outgoing. Everyone's really friendly and fun to work with.
And what do you like about being a residential cleaner?
I love seeing everyone's homes and just knowing that we're making a difference in people's lives. You can see the difference from when you go in to when you leave.
Do you feel like you have a support system at work?
I do. It's pretty nice to be able to send everyone a text at the end of the day if you need help with something or something in your schedule.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate your work-life balance?
I would say it's probably about a 10. It's pretty good.
And what is your favorite moments from working here? Or one of your favorite moments?
There's this one pair of clients that I love out in Winterport, and we just have a really great relationship. And last time I was there, I had extra time to do everything, and they were just so thrilled and begged to have me back next month and celebrated when they found out. It was so cute.
And how is working here different from other jobs you've had?
It's very interesting going into people's homes. You're not going to the same place every day, so it's very all over the place.
How has working at Sear Green Cleaning changed you or your life in a positive way?
It's definitely changed how I look at my own home and how I clean, but in a good way, for sure.
Why do you plan on staying here?
It's great for my schedule. I'm a university student, so this is a great way to fill in different hours because that schedule can be kind of funky.
And what would you tell someone who is applying to work here?
There's a lot of benefits. It's a lot of fun to not be in the same place every day, and they're good life skills to have as well, so you'll definitely come away with something.
All right. Thank you, Jana.
Hi, I'm Brianna.
How long have you been working for Sear Green Cleaning?
I've been working here for about 9 months.
What do you love most about your teammates?
The communication and the fun we get to have at the morning meetings, just being friends and coworkers at the same time.
What do you like about being a residential cleaner?
I love giving our customers peace of mind, especially those who have a hard time getting tasks done. We can come in, get it done for them, and it lets them have their home back.
Do you feel like you have a support system at work?
Yes. Yeah, being able to call and get answers from my bosses at any time I need it is very helpful.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your work-life balance?
9 to 10, most definitely.
What is one of your favorite moments from working here?
Oh gosh, just so many. I really enjoy some of the customers and the relationships that you build. One in particular is very friendly and you feel a part of their family.
How is working here different from other jobs that you've had?
The schedule allows me to enjoy time off that I need with my family and for myself.
How has working with Sear Green Cleaning changed you or your life in a positive way?
It has given me a lot of confidence being supported by my employers and my customers.
Why do you plan on staying here?
There is definitely growth available, and the good communication between everybody allows us to move forward in a positive way that's good for ourselves and the company.
And what would you tell someone who is applying to work here?
If you do a really good job, you communicate well, you will be rewarded and supported and have great job satisfaction.
All right, thank you, Bray.
Hi, my name's Corinne.
How long have you been working with Sear Green Cleaning?
For about 2 months.
And what do you love most about your teammates?
Definitely their go-getter attitude and their excitement to come to work.
What do you like about being a residential cleaner?
Definitely giving the clients back their house and letting them have a little bit more freedom in their lives.
Do you feel you have a support system at work?
Yes.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your work-life balance?
Probably about a 9.5, 10.
And what is one of your favorite moments from working here?
Probably having the clients come home after about the end of the clean and seeing how excited they are that they have a clean house again.
How is working here different from other jobs you've had?
The freedom of the schedule, kind of being able to work your own speed relatively and being able to communicate with the bosses regularly.
How has working at Sear Green Cleaning changed you or your life in a positive way?
Definitely taught me some life skills, keeping my house clean, communication, things like that.
And why do you plan on staying here?
Like I said, the communication is really good and the schedule is really nice.
And what would you tell someone who's applying to work here?
Give us your all and we will do our best to do the same to you.
Awesome, thank you.
I'm Michelle.
How long have you worked for Sear Green Cleaning?
Almost a year.
And what do you love most about your teammates?
We all get along pretty well.
What do you like about being a residential cleaner?
Mostly the people.
Do you feel you have a support system at work?
Absolutely.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your work-life balance?
A 9+.
And what is your favorite moments from working here?
Probably the expressions on people's faces when I'm done cleaning and they're excited about it.
How is working here different from other jobs you've had?
Hugely different. A lot of them have been stressful. This one seems to be easy and laid back.
How has Sear Green Cleaning changed you or your life in a positive way?
Financially,
And why do you plan on staying here?
because Sear Clean is like family.
What would you tell someone who's applying to work here?
Do it.
All right, thank you.
Sabrina,
How long have you worked with Sear Green Cleaning?
like 6 months.
What do you love most about your teammates?
The ability to communicate with everyone when you need somebody.
And what do you like about being a residential cleaner?
The reaction on clients' faces and the ability to be able to help somebody.
Do you feel you have a support system at work?
Absolutely.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your work-life balance?
Like 8.5, 9.
What is one of your favorite moments from working here?
When Brianna had to shove her entire arm into a toilet to save the toilet head.
It's always an exciting time. How is working here different from other jobs you've had?
It's a very healthy workplace.
And how has working at Sear Green Cleaning changed you or your life in a positive way?
I'm a lot more nitpicky about keeping my own home clean, and I'm more capable of standing on my feet a lot longer than I used to be.
Why do you plan on staying here?
Because I love the work, I love the clients, and I love my teammates.
And what would you tell someone who is applying to work here?
10 out of 10 recommend.
Awesome, thank you.